Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So this is your English video of standard 2 and this video is for day 2 and today we are going to do revision work of all the chapters that we have completed previously. So student, while watching this video, if you find any difficulty, any problem, just note it down the problem in your notebook and you may ask me during your class, during your online classes. Okay students, so let's see what we are going to do today in revision work. So first thing that we are going to do is complete these sentences with too big or too small. So you have to complete all the sentences given here with either too big or with too small. Okay students? So let's see what are the things. Number 1. Shanu is dashed to sleep in the baby's cot. So Shanu is dashed to sleep in the baby's cot. Baby's cot is a thing where babies used to sleep. Okay, so Shanu is dashed to sleep in the baby's cot. Shanu is too big for that. She cannot sleep in that baby's cot. So here you will write too big. Okay, so here you will write too big. So you will write too big. B-I-G, big. Shanu is too big to sleep in baby's cot. You all are also too big for that. You cannot sleep in baby's cot. So like you all, Shanu is also big enough to sleep in the baby's cot. She cannot also sleep in that baby's cot. So this will be your answer. Okay students. So next question, let's see what is your next question. Question number 2. Shanu is dashed to walk to school alone. Shanu is dashed to walk to school alone. Now Shanu is too small for that. You cannot, like you all as students, you all are very big like Shanu and you also cannot walk to school alone. You need someone with you to drop you to school and to pick you up from there. So like you, Shanu is also dashed to walk to school alone. That means Shanu is too small to walk to school alone. So here you will write too small, S-M-A-L-L. Shanu is too small to walk to school alone, just like you. Shanu also need help from her parents to drop her there and to pick her from school also. So Shanu is too small to walk to school alone. She cannot walk to school alone. Question number 3. Shanu is dash to carry the baby. Now Shanu is too small to carry the baby because she can play with baby but she cannot carry the baby to any place. So Shanu is too small to carry the baby. So here you will write too small. Okay. Shanu is too small to carry the baby. Shanu is too small to carry the baby. This will be your answer. Question number 4. Shanu is dashed to make dosas at the stove. So Shanu is too small to make dosas at the stove. She cannot make food for herself and for her family because she is too small. And you also cannot make food for yourself and for your family because you all are also very small. So Shanu is dashed to make dosas at the stove. Too small. So here you will write too small. S-M-A-L-L. Shanu is too small to make dosas at the stove. Shanu is too small to make dosas at the stove. This will be your answer, students. Okay. Now come to question number 5. Here it is written, Shanu is dashed to climb up on Dadu's back. So Shanu is too big for that and Dadu is too old for that. She cannot climb on Dadu's back now because she is big enough. So here you will write Shanu is too big to climb up on Dadu's back. So here the answer will be too B-I-G, big. Shanu is too big to climb up on Dadu's back. Shanu is too big to climb up on Dadu's back. This will be your answer. Now come to next question. Change singular noun to plural noun. Okay. We have to change singular noun to plural noun. And before that, I would like to recall what is noun. Noun is a naming word. Okay, noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or you can say birds or insects or a thing. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, birds and insects or a thing. You all know this thing very nicely. Okay, so I am revising all the things. Person means your father, mother, teacher, postman, nurse, any person. So that is the noun. The name of any person is noun. The name of any place is noun. That is park, church, school, playground, then market. Everything is noun. Name of any animal. Lion, tiger, dog, horse, cat, any bird. You can say parrot, peacock, any insect, butterfly, ladybirds. Everything is noun. The name of these animals, birds or insects are noun. Then things. Anything. That is your book, bag, car, box, your lunch box, pencil, everything is noun. Chair, table, car, everything is noun. Okay, so if we talk about numbers, there are two types. Okay, one is singular and other one is plural. That means if we talk about one person, animal, thing or place, that is singular noun. If we talk about more than one person, place, animal or thing, that is plural noun. Okay, one is singular noun. If we talk about one person, one place, one animal or one thing, that is plural, singular noun. And if we talk about more than one person or a place or an animal or a thing, that is plural noun. Okay, so noun numbers. Okay, how we change a singular noun to plural noun. Most singular nouns form the plural by adding s. Okay, in most of the nouns we just add s at the last to change that singular noun to plural noun. This is your first rule. And second rule is, when a singular noun is ending with s, x, z, ch, sh, then you have to add es to the noun at last to make it plural. Okay, when a singular noun is ending with s, x, z, ch or sh, then we have to add es to the last. I will show you how. Here are some questions. Okay, and you have to change this singular noun into plural one. See how. Number 1, tree is written. You can see the last letter, the last alphabet is E. So what we have to do? We just have to add S to it. Okay, trees. T-R-E-E-S, trees. T-R-E-E, tree. Tree is the singular form and trees is the plural form. So trees. Number 2, orange. Last letter is E. So we have to just add S to it according to the rule 1. Okay, so O-R-A-N-G-E-S, oranges. O-R-A-N-G-E-S, oranges. Number 3 is box, and you can see the last alphabet is X, and according to rule 2, when any singular noun ends with X, S, C, H, S, H, so we have to add ES to it. So here you will write B-O-X-E-S, boxes. Okay, and like this, in this way we have changed singular noun to plural noun. School, last alphabet is L, so we will just add S to it. Schools. Okay, S-C-H-O-O-L-S, schools. Brush, you can see that the two alphabets are SH, that means the ending is SH with SH. So brush, brush will change into brushes. B-R-U-S-H-E-S, brushes. Okay, tree will change into trees. Orange will change into oranges. Box will change into boxes by adding ES. School will change into schools. Brush will change into brushes. Okay, this will be your answer. Now come to next question. Here you have to change plural noun to singular. Just like opposite we have to do. We have to remove s or es. Okay. For example, here you can see some questions are there. Apples. Okay. So apple, in apple, 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 you know the ending, the last word is e. So we will just remove s from here. Okay. So you will write apple, apple. Apples means more than one, that is plural noun, and we have to change it into singular. So apple, apples, apple. Frocks. Okay, then this frogs will change into frock. Only one frock. F-R-O-C-K, frock. Like this. Okay. Foxes. You can see F-O-X, fox is a word, is an animal. E-S is written because the ending, the last alphabet is X. So we will remove both the letters. Okay, foxes. F-O-X we will write. Okay, we have to remove E-S from here. Flowers. You know flower is a thing. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower is a thing. So we have to just remove S from here. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Monkeys. Monkey is an animal. So monkeys is written, that is in plural form. We have to change this plural into singular. So what we will do, we will remove S from here. Monkey. Okay. Monkey. Apples will change into apple. Frogs will change into frog. Foxes will change into fox. Flowers will change into flower. Monkeys will change into monkey. Okay, like this. So, thank you everyone for watching this video. May this video help you a lot. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.